Hi there, it's the final session of the week. The Hedera weekly chart that we are looking at, 4 weeks of red candles. However, it's not surprising if it's coming down from the LPSY and also this key resistance level, the yellow line. So it's possible that the price to come down all the way to test the white line 13 cents level. That's the top edge of the long-term playground zone. If we look at here, this top of the body, and then this green cross, these three candlesticks, is why last week and this week stopping over here. That's like an interim support level that we are seeing. The good thing or good news for people is the volume itself seems to be telling us it's trying to take a break and see what's going to happen next. So I mentioned in a couple of sessions about G7 summit that's coming end of next week. So be cautious. The outcome could save or kill the market. So that's the big picture. In terms of daily actions, obviously this upward trend line has been broken. The downward trend still continues. Like you see these these candlesticks. Let me make it larger so you can see clearer. So you can see these levels. They found support from the blue line. What I'm going to change is turn this line into a box instead, so you can see the downward playground zone trading range that's happening over the course of last 4 weeks since early May. So if I change it to the line chart, it'll be clearer to see these tips, and currently it's edging towards the edge. So it's fine, you want to make it tighter. However, that's the view of a line chart. If you go to a candlestick chart, the price would go outside. So make sure you know where or how narrow you draw the box, and be expecting, if you draw it tight to according to the line chart, then you would have to expect daily fluctuations would go outside the box, and don't treat that as like a solid breakout signal, because it's you that draw the box narrower, not that the price has gone outside a possible trading price level. Obviously, if you draw the box according to the wicks of the candlesticks, so you see this and these wicks, this wick over here, and then this wick over here. If you draw the box around these wicks, obviously what you have to expect is if you try to estimate your take profit or stop loss point, you are giving quite a bit of a margin, right? So you see this gap over here between the peak and the edge of the box. So be really careful how you draw these boxes and shift your expectation accordingly. So long story short, downtrend still continues. If it doesn't break outside of the box, it will continue, and here it will be pushed to a point where it has to break outside of the box if the pink support line is strong enough. That's 13 cents 80 roughly, and around end of June to early July we'll get to that point. Or if some crazy news comes out from the G7 summit, or post-summit there's some crazy development, then the breakout above or below would come earlier. So let's keep an eye on what's going to happen.